So I have my questions in my phone with me.
Ananya, நான் பேச நீ பேசிட்டா அதோட கவர் ஆயிடாது.
Okay.
ஷோ இருக்குதுல. இல்ல நீ பக்கத்துல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கனால.
Okay. So the next question,
modesty maintain பண்ணனதா. அட வலிக்குது எனக்கு. அட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இப்படி பண்ணா நீ.
ஓ கைல குத்துது.
பால்ஸ் எனக்கெல்லாம் வலிக்குது.
Okay fine.
எனக்கு எது வலிக்குது.
Okay so the first question is
இரு.
There will never be another after you. You're the only one that matters.
Welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Ananya. I have my sister here with me. In today's video we are filming who is most likely to.
So we have like 2 cards each. One's yellow and one's pink. Yellow's for me and pink's for her.
And we'll be raising these cards for every single question. So for my answer, so if it is me I'll raise pink and if it is her we'll raise yellow. So I've prepared 30 questions and I've written down everything on my phone and I'm going to read them out one by one and we'll start raising. So let's start.
My cat house दिखा रहा है कि तुम्हारे को.
More laughing, we have to complete this video in 1 hour. Hey, enna? Okay, so the first question is, who is most likely to be close to their parents? So the next question, who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? So the next question is, who is most likely to get married first? When do you want to get married?
27.
You? 29 or 30? That means I'll only get married first. No. 4 years difference irukalla. Who is most likely to have kids first?
I am allergic to kids.
Fine. Okay, so the next question. Who is most likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
எனக்கு டவுட்டே வரலையே.
எனக்கு போய் போறல.
அவி. Don't laugh please.
Okay, so the next question. Who is most likely to cry in a sad mood?
I think it's both of us because you remember in 5 Feet Apart movie that we cried throughout the movie.
Oh yeah. Remember Bahubali also?
Bahubali kla aludam.
Varnamayana Talavi puked.
I was a kid, baby.
Okay, so the next question. Who is most likely to be hungry? Wait, question hai mudikla. Who is most likely to be hungry 24/7 full day?
So,
Okay, so who is most likely to adopt a stray dog? I already have a stray cat.
psych.
Who is most likely to pull a push door?
Multiple number of times. Proud and
Who is most likely to shave their head for some reason? I'll do anything other than shaving my head. Anything.
I was this close to shave my head last lockdown there, so I think I do it
Sure.
for good.
Ippa kodaya.
Oh, it's okay, baby. Let's do it.
எப்படி? அதுவும் சொன்னா இது.
சரி நான் எல்லாமே
Okay, fine.
சொல்றேன்.
Next question. Who is most likely to die in a zombie apocalypse? Why நீ எதுக்கு என்ன சொன்ன?
I don't know, it suits you now. Zombie,
Okay.
Ananya, suits.
Okay, that's probably because I believe in zombies. Okay, not that it suits me. So the next question is, who is most likely to cancel plans at the last moment?
Ananya makes the most strangest reasons to cancel plans.
Of course. Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to get a panic attack? You guys haven't seen the way she gets anxious? Anytime she'll get a panic attack and die. I'll puke. First I'll puke and die. Please.
Anu blur.
Okay, so
blur இருக்கு என்ன எடுக்கற?
வந்துரும் இரு.
அப்புறம் சோன்னு இருக்க.
Wait, who is most likely to get a tattoo that they regret?
I think she'll really regret.
I'm the one that both of us got together. Because she only has one. I was about to tell that. Oh, so backstory.
that was when we had gotten this tattoo. Like, it was super fresh up, and she was like, she came to me and she's like, I already regret my tattoo, or I hate my tattoo. She said something. I didn't realize that she only had one tattoo, and that was this thing. I was like,
Okay, 2 reasons. That was because we decided this tattoo in like 5 minutes.
But then
the tattoo wasn't planned at all, and also because my tattoo was fading. Okay, and also because I got it with you.
excuse me?
Yes. Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to get punched on the face? I just see you there. Why did you raise yourself?
I get triggered super easily.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Nee detail kaiyoda vandrum.
Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to postpone everything?
She always does.
Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to steal a candy from a baby? Have you done it before?
Obviously.
Who?
Various multiple babies. Just kidding. Like, what is you? 1 or 2?
Avi be like, I thought it was common.
Guys, you would understand if you had watched my video before. So, if you haven't already, please go watch my YouTube video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means so much to me.
Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to be a stand-up comedian? She does that on an everyday basis, so.
Therapist vibes.
So the next question is, who is most likely to get a strange tattoo? She's dying to get a tattoo. I'm sure that's what she's gonna do as soon as lockdown lifts, before anything else. Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to die of something stupid?
நீ அதான் நினைச்சா அப்ப நான் நினைச்சது தப்பு இல்லையே. So what do you think the stupid reason would be?
Anything. I'll just be walking, there'll be a banana peel, reason at that I'll slip, break my head.
Fair.
Anything.
Fair
Or
enough.
just hit on something. Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to meet a ghost?
She believes in them.
I believe in ghosts, but I don't get scared for ghost movies.
Neither do I.
Oh,
Movies. முழுசா கேட்கல. Movies part
okay.
கேட்கல.
So the next question is, who is most likely to kill it on the dance floor? She never thinks twice. She always goes ahead if it is dancing.
Thanks, man.
Who is most likely to pack up everything and leave the city? I can do it right now.
Amma will definitely belt you when she watches this video.
100%. இப்படி வந்துருச்சு.
Child.
Okay. So the next question is, who is most likely to be more scared to watch a scary movie? She doesn't let me also watch.
She always wants to watch in the nights. Pay movies does not scare me in the morning. It's just the night.
We'll watch it tomorrow morning.
No, I'm busy.
The next question is, who is most likely? So the next question is, who is most? So the next question is, who is most likely? So okay, shut up. In the time you don't do okay, podo 3 times. So the next question is, திருப்பு பொறுக்கு. Okay. So the next question is, who is most likely to join a street gang? I don't know, it just suits your vibe.
Yeah, it just suits my life.
Okay.
Actually,
So the next question is, who is most likely to end up in prison?
I thought it was me, guys.
I thought it was me.
Because I get triggered super easily, like, and I'm triggered.
I thought it was me because I don't think before acting. I mean, it's both.
Yeah.
கொஞ்சம் நல்லா எனர்ஜெட்டிக்கா பேசு. சோம்பியா Okay guys, so the next question is, who is most likely to prank call someone from the past?
I have seen her do it before, so.
You've just seen it once. So the next question is, who is most likely to walk into a wall?
It suits you better and you are capable of it.
You are capable of it.
You are capable of it. Before.
Okay.
Bitch, I'm a big gangster.
Who is most likely to become a junior school teacher? I've done it before for a short period. I mean, yeah.
Can't even imagine doing it. It's like literal suicide.
It's fun. Don't try. So the last question is, who is most likely to forget to pick up the kids? That is, if you have kids.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Cut it. I'll teach. Fair enough.
Oh, like, no.
No.
Fair enough. I don't have hair like that. Fair enough. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Let me know if you like watching videos like this on my channel. We would be down for making more videos like this in the future. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Coming on!